Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree.
Listen, day 2 of working out is no joke. Sometimes I get so mad at myself for taking a pause, for stopping the routine of working out, because when you get back to it, girl, it seems like you are just incapable of working out. Let me know if that is you, but I will say, even if you have to take breaks, don't stop. Keep going. Get back into it. Slowly but surely, you'll be back to the routine or regimen that you were on when you were doing your workouts. But this HIIT workout is no joke. I talked about this workout before. I need a shave. Look at my arms. I talked about this workout before to you guys. Get down, stay down. They do have a subscription. It is $10 a month. It's the best $10 that you could ever spend on anything, okay? Mind over matter, okay? Just get it done. You deserve that, to put this effort to working out for yourself. When I tell you, I am done. But I just wanted to check in, say hello to you guys. This is how this vlog is gonna be. I'm gonna go ahead and shower and then get back to you guys. I'm actually baking some jerk chicken right now, and some other chicken as well, some other baked chicken. So 2 types of chicken. So I'll go ahead and make the sides with you guys, and let me go ahead and shower and get my sweaty self off of this couch and check back in with you guys. So yeah, let's do that. I feel so much better. Just got out of the shower. Now I'm about to make a smoothie, and I wanted to talk about this particular smoothie because I'm gonna add some greens in it. And I've talked about this brand before, Timmy Blends, and I'll show you guys how I'm making it. Make sure you check their website out. It is the holiday season, so you're saving a lot of money on some items. So check them out down below in the description box below. But I have been loving this greens powder. It's a super food powder. So let me show you guys this. So because I just worked out and everything, I want to add the superfood blend, which is matcha, spirulina, and wheatgrass. And then this one is still new to me in my collection, but I've had it for a while, and I'm actually shocked that I like this protein powder, because most protein powders that I've tried, they taste really chalky to me. It's just not exciting or fun to have in my beverage. But this one is not gritty, it's not powdery, it's not chalky, it's very smooth. And the vanilla taste is really, really strong. It's not a faint vanilla, but the fact that it has 17 grams of plant protein is what we need, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and blend these two up, a banana, almond milk, and I'll let you guys see the finished result. But make sure you check out Timmy Blends right now. They're having some holiday sales, so check them out in the description box below. And yeah, let's get into this smoothie. Frozen banana. This is good. That protein powder is like kind of sweet. You can taste the vanilla. It's like almost like a treat. And right now, Timmy Blend is giving away a MIXit Portable Blender, like those on-the-go blenders. All you have to do is use my code when you check out any item on Timmy Blend's website. So make sure you check them out, as I mentioned, in the description box below. Cheers. What is up, you guys? Welcome and welcome back to another vlog. Today is a special day. Today is my husband's birthday, so I am going to show you guys me making a special meal and some table decor. Y'all probably getting tired of me coming on here with my hair looking like this, but don't worry about it. That's gonna happen soon. It's gonna change soon. So yes, I just wanted to open up the vlog to say what's up. Shout out to everyone else who is celebrating a birthday for this month. Happy holidays. And I just wanted to take you guys with me to decorate and cook this meal. So let's get into it.
Brought me many realizations. 20 taught me never be complacent. I've got 20 years and I'm still changing. I've lived 20 lives and...
Alright guys, so this is what I have. This is what I have so far. This is what it's gonna be for tonight. Just very simple. All of my other like single plates and stuff like that, like solid plates, they're in storage. So just working with what I have, and not bad. Cheers to you guys. Now let's go ahead and start cooking the meal. I really like this arrangement I just put together. Got this bouquet from Walmart. It was only $3. So yeah, just something simple. Use what you have in your house, ladies. Make it work. And yeah, let's go.
Where I still, cause I ain't have a shelf. And it's hard to understand when you don't know my rules. Yeah, it's hard to understand when you don't know the truth. Cause we all got some shit that we don't like to mention. And the things that keep me up, they made me who I am, yeah. So I can never sit back, say that I regret it. Every ounce of pain I felt became a lesson. I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. Ooh, 'cause I'm more than any judgment. I'm more than who I was, yeah. I got all these dimensions.
Thank you guys so much for watching. In my favorite comfy robe. This is actually a Calvin Klein robe. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, Calvin Klein robes. I actually got this as one of my bridal shower gifts, and this is like one of my favorite comfy robes. One of my aunts got me this, I think. So shout out to her, because I've been wearing this nonstop. But I done fell asleep in it with my makeup on. But as I was editing this video, I realized I did not do a outro. So that is why you are seeing me like this. I'm about to get in the shower and call it a night as this video uploads. But thank you guys so much for supporting, for watching. All of you who said happy birthday to my husband. That last clip was just a dinner that I did. It was very chill this year to make dinner for him for his birthday. He's very, he's an introvert, so he doesn't really like to do too much outside, but he's definitely been branching out. So kudos to him. But I just did a in-home dinner that was lamb chops, red skin potatoes, mashed them up, and then some asparagus, as you saw. So real chill, real light, but very good. It was very tasteful. I thought I was gonna mess them lamb chops up, girl, because it's been a minute since I've cooked lamb chops. Lamb is very different, it's unique, but it was a banger this year. So that was that. Before that, I was working out. So I wanted to get a kickstart on my workout routine. I was doing it before, and when the wedding stuff came apart, that was when I like kind of slowed down, because I had lost the amount of weight that I wanted to lose for the wedding. I maintained it. I wasn't really eating too crazy because I was a bit stressed. So I was able to like keep my weight down because of the stress. But nevertheless, now, like after the wedding, girl, you know, you get excited, or you get in a relationship, you start eating, you eating out, you celebrate, you doing this, you drinking wine. No. So I have to get a head start before January gets here. So yes, I was kind of struggling in that HIIT workout, but the point of the matter is, if you are in a rut like I was, or you slow down from some routine, that can be workout, skincare, whatever, girl, get back on it, because you deserve it. You yourself deserve the work that you're putting in, the amount of energy you need to deposit back into yourself, because we as women, we deposit into others. We do so much. We're moving around, whether you're a mom, a wife, a girlfriend, just a sister, just a friend. Like, we're doing so much. Life is life. And so giving that time back to you with self-care, working out, it means so much. So I'm not going to wrap you guys up on the end of this video, but I just wanted to say that's what I was doing. I was struggling at first. It was funny, but listen, I'm getting back into it. That's all I know. So yeah, that was that. And then Timmy Blends, do not forget to check them out. I will have their information down if I can get it out, I will have their information down below. They are doing a giveaway, so make sure you shop on their website using my code, using my link, because they're going to be doing a giveaway for that portable blender. I think that blender is so freaking cool. Like, if you are going back into the office and we're still in this time of, you know, you don't want to share the microwave and stuff, like the break room or whatever, that's the time to get this type of portable blender, to enter into this giveaway so you can get it for free. Duh. But yeah, so that's everything that I wanted to share and like close out and like kind of like give more details and wrap up. So until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.